Hello, Computer Science 7. Welcome back. This is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Today, if you haven't already, please complete your SWAY presentation. Go ahead and look in the SWAY folder and complete everything there, and then share it on the discussion board. I look forward to seeing the rest of your presentations. If you're able to do the typing test, if you have something with a decent keyboard, go ahead and complete week 10 in your typing test document, and we are working on test 34 this week. Also, complete any assignments that haven't been completed. If you need to complete something, I did send you a message. If you didn't get a message, there aren't any other assignments due and you're good. So today we're going to learn a little bit about coding with Scratch. In Schoology, you'll notice there's a new folder and it's called Coding with Scratch. So you go ahead and open that folder, read it. Make sure you follow all the links, watch the tutorials. You'll be creating an account in Scratch and you'll begin coding. An important note, the coding is for extra credit only and for your knowledge. So if you are behind, if you have Excel things that you haven't finished, please work on those and don't move on to Scratch. If you're finished with everything, you can go ahead and learn Scratch. So here we are in Schoology. When you scroll down, you'll notice you do have a new folder. It's called Creative Coding with Scratch. And you have one assignment that says Start Here and then Next. So I'm going to show you how to log into Scratch and to watch some tutorials. And then with the Next, you'll be actually writing some code. You'll be writing your own ghost story in Scratch. So when you click on Start Here, the instructions say, watch my video instructions for getting started with Scratch. So you're already doing that if you're listening to this video. Open the file Creative Coding with Scratch here, and you'll see that at the bottom. Make sure you read through that. Follow the links in there. You have links for the tutorials. Create an account and move on to create a ghost story with Scratch, which is the next assignment. So when you want to log into Scratch, I did put a link in that document, but if you're not in the document and you want to go to Scratch, it's scratch.mit.edu. So here is the document that I gave you. So the essential question, what is Scratch and how are computer games created? You can read the standards here. So basically it's to get you thinking creatively, constructing knowledge, developing innovative products, using technology, using critical thinking skills. So what is Scratch? Scratch is a graphical programming environment that was developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, otherwise known as MIT. It's free for everyone to use. It teaches programming concepts to students by snapping code blocks into place to form complete programs. So instead of knowing how to write the code, you will just be dragging blocks of program into a script area, and you'll see what I mean by that in just a little bit. So Scratch makes it easy to create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art, and you can share them on the web. As you create the Scratch projects, you'll learn important math and computational ideas while also learning to think creatively, reason systematically, and work collaboratively. So the first step to get started is to go ahead and click on this link. Remember, you have to, probably on the iPad, you would have to hold it down to go to the link. If you're on a laptop, you would hit Control and click. So once you've followed that link, you're going to come to the Scratch home screen, which looks just like this. Before you go ahead and join Scratch, just watch this short video here. It's just a short introductory video that shows you a little bit more about what Scratch is. Once you've watched that video, go ahead and click on Ideas, and then watch the Getting Started tutorial, which is right here. You can also watch any of these tutorials that you like, just to kind of get a feel for what Scratch is and what it looks like. Okay, so once you've finished watching the tutorials, go ahead and write a comment here on our Schoology page on the Creative Coding with Scratch assignment. Go ahead and write a comment that you have watched this tutorial and you've gone to Scratch, joined in, and you've watched a couple of Scratch tutorials. All right, move on to creating a ghost story with Scratch.